Hey, if you're not using video to market your real estate business in 2025, you're essentially invisible. But here's the truth, it's not just about being on video anymore. It's about being, well, pretty good on video. And in this video, I am going to give you 5 simple, proven tips to help you create real estate videos that actually will captivate your viewers, build trust, and get your business. Hi, my name is Justin Letheby. I am the professor. I'm a trainer, speaker, and coach. And I am the professor of real estate because knowledge matters. So I have taught many agents, and I continue to teach a lot of agents about the importance of video. And while my hook says it's got to be good, and that's true, I'm still going to tell you, just be out there. Do what you need to do. But today, what I want to do is show you how to be and able to communicate clearly, confidently, and effectively, specifically when it comes to video. And you don't need to have a Hollywood budget. You just need confidence, tools, and a good message. So let's walk you through 5 tips that will help you create captivating, confident, competent real estate videos, whether you're doing a listing walkthrough or talking to a first-time buyer, home buyer on Instagram. So let's get started. Tip number 1, start with a hook. This only is about 5, maybe 10 seconds, but these hooks matter. It gets the attention in the first 5 seconds. You could ask a question that connects. Wondering what's your home worth after this crazy market? You can put that in there. You can make a bold statement. Homes in this zip code are selling fast. 6 days or less. We have it. Start with a story or a stat that immediately adds value, right? You want to have something that's going to gain their attention. If you do not gain that attention in the first 5 seconds, people traditionally scroll past. They don't waste. Sorry about that. If you don't grab attention the first 5 seconds, people scroll. They don't waste that time introducing themselves. They don't watch you. You don't earn the view for the first time. And then you tell them who they are, right? It's ineffective. So get good with hooks. And again, AI, really good solution for writing simple hooks. So, tip number 2, have some sort of simple, repeatable format. You don't want to make it boring and predictable, but you do want them to know, hey, when I see this, this is what I'm going to get. This is where we're going to be, and this is how we're going to get there, right? What are we trying to do? So 3 things to know: this versus that comparisons, buying now versus waiting, right? It can be certain things like that. Market update of the week, an FAQ style videos. Do I need 20% down? Right? We can do various tips and strategies for our videos, especially when we're looking for branding. Having repeatable video styles saves you time and builds your brand in a know, like, trust environment. So your audience will start to recognize you and your rhythm. You also want to build that monthly video calendar with 2 to 3 go-to formats, right? Again, you don't want it to be boring and quote unquote predictable, but you do want to have them to be able to understand what they're stepping into just by seeing that brand pop up on the screen. Tip 3, you want to film like you talk. So when you make your videos real, not rehearsed, right? It doesn't mean you can't have a teleprompter, but again, with AI and writing scripts, you can make this teleprompter work, whether it's scripted bullet points or whatever. You can do that. Otherwise, you can just talk straight in the camera, get good with the camera. Reading scripts word for word are typically not a great idea. Using bullet points are good. Teleprompter apps like Big View or Captions are really good tools. Using your natural communication tone and voice, talk like you're explaining something to a client over coffee, is a really good way to get this done. Smile, pause, breathe, make eye contact with the camera. It will build trust. Your videos don't have to be perfect. I'll be honest. It's probably better that they're not. That's what's going to build a connection. People want someone they can relate to, that they believe in, that they know they can have that barstool conversation with. If you want help with that, drop video help or a link to one of your past videos in the comments, and we'll take a look. 4, prioritize those visuals over fancy equipment. I'm going to tell you what, your visual is you. But if you have other visuals, background, B-roll, stuff like that, put it in place. Make it look good, but keep it simple. You're going to want to use natural lighting as best as you can. I'm talking from experience. I've been playing around with lighting for quite a bit lately, trying to make my videos look a little bit better. And it always works better if I'm outside doing something like that. Or even if I have my camera, me facing the window and my camera facing me. Clean backgrounds are usually very helpful. Tripods, ring lights, mic combos. You can get those a lot for probably under $100 these days. Don't worry about the people that are doing more money on that. Your phone, buy a cheap microphone, tripod, camera, you're good to go. So you have tools like Canva for overlays, CapCut for quick edits, especially from your phone, InShot for mobile-friendly reels. I've seen agents with just a phone and a window outperform others with all the fancy gear. Really, because the message was clear and the setup was clean. Don't hesitate to get started, folks. So always include a clear call to action at the end. And probably, to be honest with you, somewhere in the middle as well. So end the video with, DM me to get a list of all the homes sold. Get a list of my seller checklist. Click this link for a free buyer's roadmap. Comment below and I'll send you a market update. You can have so many different ideas like that you will be able to put out there. And again, there are different tools coming in play. I'm not encouraging you to jump into that right away, but there are tools out there. When you put keywords in comments, it will invoke a mini action program that comes out and gives them the free guide or does whatever. It's really kind of helpful. So people won't take action unless you ask them to. Gary Vaynerchuk has a really good book called Jab, Jab, Right Hook. It's essentially about you got to give value, but the other part is you actually have to ask for business. So give them one clear step, not 5, and make it super easy for them. So here's what I'm going to tell you. Be consistent, not perfect. Have these plans out there. I would encourage you to build a series of videos before you even go live. Please understand, you're not filming for views, you're filming for visibility. I know it sounds similar, it's really not. If you do one video a week, you have 52 touch points a year. If you repurpose that content, you have many, many, many more versions of that you can do. Progress will always beat perfection. Just hit the record and just keep showing up. You will get better at this. You will do good as long as you keep doing it. Your first 10 videos will feel awkward. Do them anyways. Post them anyways. Your future clients are watching, even if they're not clicking yet. You have a lot of people out there always sitting on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. They're there. So those are your 5 tips for creating captivating real estate videos. Grab that attention with a hook. Use a repeatable format. Talk like a real person. Make your visuals clean. Think about your backgrounds. And then end with a clear CTA, call to action. And don't forget, these videos don't need to be perfect. They just need to be you. Keep showing up, keep serving, and the results, I promise, will follow. Look in the description below. You're going to see a free guide for this month to show you how to do a lot of things we've been talking about. We'll see you next week. Put comments below about what tip you liked and what next things you want to learn. Can't wait to see you next time.